Okay, welcome guys to our next product review. This is pure glucose. Now this is not an ad. The company of this brand didn't ask me to advertise it, but for all the I'm a 80s baby, so I'm gonna say 80s, but I know people in their 70s and 50s watching this video know how helpful glucose is, and for everything what we're going through, the health conditions and so forth. Did you know that if you're self-quarantine yourself in your home, while you're buying your disinfectant and your sanitize and all of those things, remember to pick up 3 box or 4 box of this. Now most young people, I don't think they know about glucose, but did you know that this saline that they drip that they put on you, this is almost the same thing as what they use to give you the drip in the hospital? That if you're feeling sick and you don't feel like eat, or you're vomiting, you're having diarrhea, you're having flu, you're getting thirsty, you know, all these fluids that live in your body, did you know that glucose replaces most of that? It's also good for teeth, if a person is diabetic, anything at all like that, like any underlying disease. It's good to mix a cup of this and give them, whether you want to do it cold or warm. If you want to put it on your salad, your food. I replace this with sugar. I do not use sugar. Now I know that people say that you can use honey, but honey is sweet and I only use honey to mix like my natural juice them and so forth. So like I drink glucose. Glucose is really good for people who have sinus. It's good. It's good for so many things, stomach congestion, everything. It's good for everything. So remember, you have babies, young baby, make sure to give them this, because did you know that before you catch flu, if your body is dehydrated, if your immune system is weak, it also helps build up your immune system. If it's weak, what is going to happen? You're more prone to catch flu, and your sinus is more prone to affect you during this time. So it's best to drink some glucose. It's good for people who are having fever and so forth. So remember your glucose. Don't leave it. It's good to have in your home. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching. This is Alikare. Let me know what kind of videos guys you want to see, and let me know if you are using glucose, if you know about it, and if you know your grandmother or your mom use it on you when you were sick, how helpful it is. Share your views on it so other people can see. Thank you so much, and this is Thea.